This is putting the power wire back on. Should have a lock washer and a nut. All right, so when you're replacing your smart hitch, you have all these wires here, and they have to be connected. Your smart hitch is over here, and the black one's here. That's the smart hitch. So you have your lift and your lower cylinders. And then you have a diagram over here that shows you where to hook it up on your smart hitch here. So when you look at it, there's a little line under here, and there's a line in your plow. That means that's up and down. So if you're holding it up like this, you look over here, you see that the orange one goes to your top left, and then it comes down to your bottom left, and then back over here to your middle on the other side. And then you'll see that the black one will go right here on the bottom left, and your other one with the diode on it, that one goes, the top one is the diode one, top left, and the other white one goes to the other side. And once you have that all together, just stick it in the hole. Once it's in there, you just put the little cover on there. And that's what activates your smart hitch for lowering and raising the plow, for hooking it up and unhooking it.